Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So students, let's start our English class. In our last class, we had completed chapter 3. Sorry, chapter 4 we had completed in our last class. Yes, we have completed chapter 4. And let's start. Let's start chapter 5 today, which is interrogative sentence. Which is interrogative sentence. Let's start this one. So students, let me tell you that if you want to ask something, then just raise your hand. Understand? If you want to ask something, just raise your hand. Now, let's start this chapter 5, which is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? The definition is given here, which you all have to learn. It's important. Interrogative sentence are those that ask questions and have a question marks at the end. It's very simple definition. Interrogative sentence are the sentence which end with question marks. As you can see here. Are you going to school? Is an interrogative sentence. Have you met Sashi? Is an interrogative sentence. So these sentences are interrogative sentence. Or you can say these are question sentence. These sentences are asking question. So they are interrogative sentence. Definition is given here, which you all have to learn, and you have to write this definition on your notebook. Understand? Now, making questions from a statement. How can we make question from the given statement? It is given here. Read the following statements. I am intelligent. I am intelligent. You have a pencil. He is late. Now we have to make a question from this normal statement. So how can we make a statement? It is given here. I am intelligent. Statement. And question is, am I intelligent? The question that is made from this sentence is, am I intelligent? This was the am is coming here. We have to put am at the beginning before the subject. I is subject. We have to put am before I, and it will become a question. We have to put question mark also. She was sick. It is statement, and the question is, was she sick? He is late, and question is he late? We just have to move that second word, which is, was, am, in the beginning. He has seen your report card. Statement. This is statement. So we want to change this in this as a question. So we have to write like, has he seen your report card? Has he seen your report card? Here are some more examples of the statement changed into interrogative statements. He will come tomorrow morning. Will he come tomorrow morning? The boys were tired. Were the boys tired? She was the winner. Was she the winner? The girl was in class third. Was the girl in class third? Now, move to the exercise here. This is exercise A, which is not written here A, so you can write A here. Because it's exercise A. It's not written here. You all have to write down A. This is exercise number A. So students, let's start this exercise A. Rewrite the following as interrogative. As I told you in the earlier examples, we just have to do the same here. Let's start it. The children were obedient. Who can tell me the right answer? Just raise your hand. We have to make this sentence as question. Yes, Neela.
Ma'am,
Yes. The children were obedient.
was the children were obedient?
Were is written here. The children were obedient.
Was the children were obedient?
Not was. There is were written. ना? Were लिखा है वहाँ पे. Were is written there.
There the children.
Yes. Neela, any other?
Yeah.
Who can tell me? Yes, Ayushi.
Children were the obedient.
Make this as a question. How to make this as a question? How can we make this as a question? Tell me. How to make this sentence as a question? Yes, Annapurna.
Were the children obedient?
Yes, exactly. The second word which is given here after the subject, which is subject, we already studied subject and predicate. In our last class, we already studied subject and predicate. Here the subject is the children. Were obedient is predicate. So here we have to put this word were before the children. Understand? Then the sentence will become a question. So let me write the answer here. Question mark. Don't forget to put question mark because it's a question. He has a new mobile phone. Who can tell me the right answer? Yes, Arushi.
Has he a new mobile phone?
Has he a new mobile phone? Yes. Has he a new mobile phone? Question mark. Next question, who can tell me? The train will be late. Yes, Ayushi.
Will the train be late?
Very good. The answer is will the train be late? Question mark. Next. Tamal. Tamal is fond of rock music. Tamal. Who can tell me the right answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Annapurna.
Is Tamal fond of rock music?
Very good. Is Tamal fond? Fond means to like something. Understand? I am fond of teaching. मुझे teaching पसंद है. I like teaching. You are fond of studying. आपको study करना पसंद है. Understand? This is fond means पसंद करना, like. So the answer is Tamal fond of rock music? Question mark. Next. The doorbell is ringing. Who can tell me the right answer? Neela, can you tell me? The doorbell is ringing. Question. Can you tell me, Neela?
Was the doorbell is ringing?
Why it will be was? There is no was. Is likha hai, so we have to use is. Understand? Yes, Ayushi.
Is the doorbell ringing?
Yes. Which word is written here? We have to use this word, not any other. We don't have to move to the past tense or present tense. We don't have to change the tenses which is given here. इसको was, war को work को was is it is not matter here. You have to write as it is. Just you have to change the word, the position of word for making them a question. Is the doorbell ringing? Next, these bangles are expensive. Who can tell me the right answer? Raise your hand. Oh, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya. Tell me the right answer, Aradhya.
Ma'am, are these Bengali
Are these?
rectangles?
Sparsh, tell me the right answer.
Are bangles these expensive?
No. Please take care. Here you can see these bangles is subject. We have to put are before the subject. Are these bangles expensive? Are these bangles expensive? Understand? Okay, now let me tell you the next question. It was raining in the evening. The answer will be, was it raining in the evening? Mansi will wait at the stations. Will Mansi wait at the station? She will trust him blindly. Will she trust him blindly? Someone is knocking at the door. Is someone knocking at the door? So you all have to do these questions 7, 8, 9, 10 by yourself. Understand? This is for your assignment. Move to the next chapter. Chapter 6. Negative sentence. Here we have to make these sentences negative. Read the following sentence. Sita is very happy. Rita is ill. I have some food for the journey. These sentences are positive sentences. Now read the following sentences. Sita is not very happy. Sita is not ill. I have no food for journey. These sentences are negative sentences because they have the word not or no. Whenever we see not or no word in any sentence, these types of sentences are called negative sentences. Next definition is already given here. The negative sentence is a sentence that has not or no in it. Position of not, where we have to put not. She is sad. This is positive sentence. Now for making this negative, we have to put not before sad and after is. She is not sad. She has money. She has no money. She is singing. She is not singing. To make an imperative sentence negative, we put do, not, don't in beginning of the sentence. Imperative sentence. We all know that what is imperative sentence? When there is a request, command, or these types of sentence are called imperative sentence. Understand? Like come inside. This is imperative sentence. This is kind of command. This is kind of instruction. So for making this sentence negative, we have to put not, do not, or don't before the sentence. Like don't come inside. Clap your hands. Don't clap your hands. Now, here now in this exercise, change the given sentences into negative. How to change these sentences into negative? Can you tell me, anyone? First one is the jungle was very dense. Answer. Who can tell me the right answer? Raise your hand. Yes, Rishabh.
Ma'am, the jungle was not very dense.
Very good. Right answer. The jungle was not very dense. Put question mark. Sorry. It's not a question. So just put full stop. It's a negative sentence. The jungle was very dense. The jungle was not very dense. Don't forget to put full stop. Now, next question is, she has gone to market. Who can tell me the right answer? How many of you can tell me the right answer? Utkarsh, yes. Yes, Utkarsh, tell me the right answer.
She has not gone to the market.
Very good. Very good, Utkarsh. She has not gone to the market. She has not gone to the market. The answer is she has not gone to the full stop. Next question. Jyoti is happy with her new friends. Who can tell me the right answer? Raise your hand. Rishabh can tell me. Aradhya, Rushi, Annapurna, Hari. Yes, Hari, tell me the right answer. Jyoti is happy with her new friends. Change this in negative.
Jyoti is not happy with his new friends.
With her new friend. Jyoti is not happy with her new friend. Full stop. Next question. He has kept his promise. You have to change this sentence as negative. Who can tell me the right answer? Annapurna, yes.
He has not kept his promise.
Yes, he has not kept her promise. Kept. K-E-P-T, kept. He has not kept his. He has not kept his promise. Full stop. Next question. Play in the garden. Now, change this sentence into negative. Who can tell me the right answer? Yes, Hari?
Don't play in the garden.
Yes. Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the right answer. Play in the garden. Change this sentence into negative.
Don't play in the garden.
Yes. Iksha, what are you doing? Tell me the right answer. Yes.
Don't play in the garden.
Ayushi?
Not play in the garden.
Rishabh?
Play in the not garden.
Beta, right answer is don't play in the garden. As I told you here, you can see here it is written. It is written here whenever we are talking about any imperative sentence. Imperative, to make imperative sentence negative, we have to put do not or don't in the beginning. Like come inside is a command, is an instruction. So for giving this instruction, for changing this instruction into negative, we have to put don't before the sentence. As you can see here, play in the garden is an instruction. Play in the garden. So for making this sentence negative, we have to write don't before the sentence. Understand? Don't or do not. Whatever you want, you can write. You can write do not. You can write do not play in the garden. Or full stop. Or you can write in place of do not. The short form of do not is don't. Apostrophe, comma, T. Don't play in the garden. Understand? Whatever you want, you can write here. If you want to write do not, then write do not. If If you want to write don't, then write. But sentence, negative sentence will be like this. I am satisfied with my work. I am not satisfied with my work. Read slowly. Now Ayushi, tell me the right answer. Negative sentence. Read slowly. Negative of read slowly.
Don't read slowly.
Yes, very good. Don't read slowly. This is right sentence, negative. Rest of the questions you all have to do 6, 7, 8. I hope you all can do this exercise. And in our next class, we'll move to the next chapter 7. We'll complete chapter 7, 8, and 9. Chapter 7, 8, 9. Up to Saturday.
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, students. So I hope you all can complete this exercise by yourself. We'll meet in our next class.